Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. We just arrived on a home here in the Richwoods community in Frisco, Texas. We're going to be doing the 82-inch Q6F. This is a super affordable TV. I think right now it's like $3,500. You really can't beat it. Great value TV for a theater room, or if you have a large living room wall to accommodate it. We're going to be wall mounting this on the wall right here. This theater room is wired for projection. If you look over here at the ceiling, it has a Smurf tube in place, but the customer opted out. And what we're going to be doing is installing electrical as well as passing all the wires through the wall. You can see we got our Romax pass-through boxes, power outlet that we're going to install, as well as our 4K HDMI, passing a full 18 gigabits per second, 4x4x4. And then an optical cable for the audio return. This does have ARC, but I always just run optical separate just in case the audio return doesn't work. I'll show a video once we get this up on the wall. Here's what comes in the box. You got a little quick start manual, as well as their slim Samsung QLED TV remote, 2 spacers for wall mounting, and then batteries included. And then the stand, which we're not using. We're going to be wall mounting this today. Alright, we're moving right along. You can see we just finished up electrical, power outlet, as well as our pass box for our low voltage lines. Getting everything up to city code. We tapped off of this down here, and then all of our lines are coming out below. We got our drop cloth here to catch all the debris, and then we'll vacuum when we're done. You can see Grayson just put in a couple drywall anchors, 100-pound drywall anchors, the ones that go on the wall and spread, and then cling on to the back side because we can only hit one stud here in the middle. And then same thing over here, just to make sure that this TV isn't going anywhere because it is an 82-inch. And you gotta make sure it's level.
Yeah, it is heavy.
Hello and welcome. Please download the SmartThings app on your mobile to start TV
Oh
setup.
my gosh,
You may press the right button to set up the TV with the TV remote.
Ready?
Yeah.
Are you on?
Come on. Alright, this TV definitely has some weight to it, so make sure you have 2 strong people. Flexing on.
Yes.
And then let's check level. Perfect. And in this situation, we did a tilt mount, so it just moves back and forth from the fixed position. So it's really nice and close to the wall. This is a great value TV. If you guys would like to purchase this model, please give us a call or shoot us an email. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.